So in the last session we have seen how to configure the Flutter and how to configure the VS Code and how to import the Flutter project in the VS Code. So in this session we will see like how to write a hello world application by using of Flutter. So let's get started. So you can see this is the structure of the Flutter project where there is three main files, uh, directories actually we can say directory. One is for Android, one is for iOS, and one is lib. So you will write the code for Flutter in only lib directory, and it will be get reflected in iOS for iOS build and in Android for Android build. So it automatically converts. So you will we will just focus on the lib directory, and we will there is by default a file man.dart here, and it is an entry point the of your Flutter application. So here first statement will be an package, uh, like we will use the material.dart package because Flutter is supporting material designing, and we will use material designing in the design uh, in the application for designing purpose. Okay, so the next statement will be a function void man. This will be a function, you can remove it. This will be a main function, and it will be your an entry point for your Flutter application. So has this method will call another method with the name of run app. So in this function you will put a widget. So what is widget in the Flutter? So I think in every language, like in case of Android or in case of iOS, widget is everywhere. Widget is like components, like text component, edit text component. So these are we can call it widget. Okay. So same we will pass a widget in run app method, then it will render that widget onto the screen. Okay. So we just create a class for the widget which we are going to show. So create class, I give it name my app, which will extends a stateless widget. So what is stateless or what is stateful, we will discuss in the coming videos. So there is two types of widgets, stateless and stateful. So I'm using here only stateless widget. Then this class will import a build method. So this build method will return a widget which we are going to implement, and that widget will render by this run app method. Okay, so I will return a widget here, return. I will take material app, that is the widget, and this widget and semicolon. This widget has the properties, like one property is title, that will be the title of your screen. So I will pass a string for title, hello world. Okay, it will be a title of your screen. The second property is home. Here you can pass any type of widget. Okay, so material app cover the screen, title is the title of screen, home is a body of your screen. Okay, so here I will pass a text with the name of hello. Okay, so text is a widget which I am going to pass uh, to the home, and I pass hello world. So text widget, you just create text class, then pass the value inside it. So that is it. We have created a stateless widget, and I am passing this widget object into run app method. So I'm creating my app class object, then semicolon. That is it. So we have developed a hello world application. So now we can run this application on the connected device, that is iOS device. So I'm going to run by clicking on this. I'm going to run this application. It will take some time to run on the emulator. If it is taking much time, then we can rerun this application from run. First we can stop this application, then we can rerun this application, run without debug. So this code will run on the emulator. The first time it will take some time, then hot reloading will enable. Then we will use hot reloading for fast running the application on the emulator on doing some changes. Export will done, then it will run, and you can see the hello world, but it is not looking good because we have direct pass a text widget to the home. If you are uh, making a good screen, then we will use a scaffold widget. So what is scaffold widget? We will see. uh, just replacing this text with scaffold, then you will see the difference, and what you will see the use of the scaffold. So I'm just removing text from here, then I'm using scaffold widget here. Scaffold widget also has some properties like app bar. It is the name of property app bar. Then there is a class of app bar. Then this app bar widget also has some properties like title. We are passing title with text. Then it has another property. So scaffold has basically two properties, two important properties. One is app bar. It will show app bar of your screen, and the second property is body of the screen. So we are going to show a hello world in the body of the scaffold or of the screen. Okay, so there is a body. So app bar has a title. This body is a part of scaffold, not app bar. App bar, then body. In the next line I am using body. Then I will show this hello world into the center of the screen. Then I will use a center widget. Okay, and in the center widget it has also some features or properties like child, or here I will use a text with the name of hello world. So this app, the name will be hello world. Scaffold, in the scaffold there is a app bar with the name of, with the title of hello world, and in the center of the screen there will be a text with the name of hello world. You can differentiate it center, or it will be a app bar. Then I have just replaced only the text view with the scaffold with its childs. Okay, then I'm again running this application. Then you will see the difference. So hello world, this is the scaffold app bar, and hello world in center, that is the body of the scaffold. So this is all about a hello world application with use of scaffold and without use of scaffold. So in this session we have also covered the uh, scaffold use in the Flutter, and we will make more videos using scaffold. So you will deep down this and you will learn about the scaffold in a very deep down. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please like and share and comment this on this video, and just subscribe my channel, so I will come with more videos about the Flutter application. Thank you. Thanks for watching.